Hi! In this video, I will take you step by step through an example lesson script to use with our Glaze app. This is our website. I will choose the color mix lesson. The first page summarizes the subject, learning objectives, the artwork we will explore, and related subjects. In this lesson, you will mix primary colors to create secondary colors and apply your new skill to create an artwork. The featured artwork is Reality Machines by Olafur Eliasson. The lesson connects the subjects of art, science, and computer science. Observe the artworks and open a discussion with questions. What is happening in these artworks? What do you see that makes you say that? Additional details about the artist and artwork can be found below the artworks. Next, explore optical color mixing. Follow the link and observe what happens in the animated puzzle we have prepared to introduce the concept. The semi-transparent color puzzles overlap and create new colors to complete this image of a butterfly on a strawberry. Coming back to lesson, try to name colors and processes with help of the illustrations and informations provided. What are the primary and secondary colors? What does it mean to mix color optically? Now let the knowledge sink in with practice. It's time to paint. Open the Glaze app. Find the color mix exercise in Sketches under the Techniques section. Paint over the dots using the primary colors, yellow, red, and blue, to create secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. Experiment with dilution to achieve different hues, darker and lighter colors. Now let's apply the techniques by painting an orange. Follow the steps in the orange tutorial. Open a black canvas in the Glaze app. Start by painting the shape of the orange and its leaf with yellow. Paint over the leaf and background with blue. Observe how the leaf turns green. Add a shadow under the fruit. I will paint using circular motions, then erase and overlapping paint. Finally, paint red over the yellow to create orange and the table for pinkish red. Voila, you are done! Save your artwork and it's okay to stop here. If you want to paint more, or if you finish early, now it's up to you. Think about how you can continue your artwork with your own ideas. For example, I will try using the thin sable brush to paint a butterfly body and wings. I think I need a brighter color. I will adjust dilution here. Next, I will add some details with white and maybe more dots to create texture on the orange stream. Let's try overlaying colors. I wonder what new shade yellow will create when layered on wings. Okay, that looks cool. I will add yellow over the body too, so the color is more complex. Once you are done, remember to save your artwork. After painting, go through the review questions. At home, in your free time, you can continue experimenting with the app, exploring your own ideas, like this duck I painted, or following more tutorials, such as the lion and turtle, which you can find on our website under the provided links. Hope you have fun with this lesson and the painting exercises. Remember that you can always tweak, adjust, or skip the steps according to your own ideas.